Pattern collections can get quite large, and finding patterns can be quite difficult. Creative Studio makes it easy with our pattern search function. You just come up here and say, I want to find a flower. And it'll list every pattern that shows a flower. Let's say you just want to search for a certain designer. You can come down here, hit designer, and let's say I want to find Karen. These are patterns by Karen Farnsworth. Generally, you'll want to keep this set to search for everything. You can also pick advanced search. Let's say I want to find Karen. Notice as I type the letter K, it automatically filled in Kim Diamond, K Emerson, and I can just down arrow and select that. Let's see, I know that Karen has a horse pattern, so I'll type horse. And there we have a selective search of horse with Karen Farnsworth. If we click fill, it'll disappear because that's not a fill pattern. It is an edge-to-edge pattern, so it'll stay. Click simple search to go back and wipe out the advanced search.